Now here the amides, that is our topic is reduction of amides and Schmidt reaction. The first one is the how to convert amides into the amide. Amides are RCONH2, and by using reducing reagent we convert RCH2NOH2 and the byproduct is water. See how many hydrogens it is needed, and you remember 2 hydrogens for the carbon, 2 hydrogens for the oxygen, and 2 hydrogens for this one. Totally it needs how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens it is needed.
4 hydrogens.
Because 2 for carbon and 2 for hydrogen. Then what are the reducing reagent that can be helped or that can be converted from amide into amine? One, we can use that reagent. We can use, and that reagent we can use it is what is called as lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, it is capital H, lithium aluminium hydride. This is one reagent. When you use this reagent, it supplies 4 nascent hydrogens and you will get amine. What is your doubt? You are choting. I am getting okay. See, and this is the first one, lithium aluminium hydride. Then what other reagent can be used? The other reagent can be used even the sodium in presence of ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH. This is going to be the another reagent that can be used to convert the amides into amides. Okay, now let us take other one, third also. Let us take the what is other one is the third option also. We can use the third reducing reagent we can use is boron hydride. Boron, that is going to be the BH3, boron hydride over the solvent here we use it as a THF, that means tetrahydrofuran. Any of this reagent, if you use this any of this reagent, suppose if we any of this reagent, suppose if we use this any of this reagent in this conversion, it converts into amine. Now I will write some questions here. You have to write answer. You tell me the answer. Okay. First of all, the simplest one is going to be the CH3CO. Okay, this is not simplest one. And HCONH2. HCONH2. And what is the name of this compound? Anybody? Can you tell me? This is going to be the formamide. This is going to be formamide. Or formaldehyde. Not formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is different. HCHO is formaldehyde. This is called formamide. When this formamide is treated with this any of this reagent, what are these reagent? This is any of this reagent. Can you tell me what may be the product? Any of this reagent. What may be the product? Can you tell me? What it is going to be the
amine.
What amine you will get? What amine you will get? You see this conversion? What happened? The C double bond O is changed to CH2. Simply you write like this: C double bond O, instead of the oxygen you write 2 hydrogen. That's it. That is going to be the already 1 hydrogen is there here. And instead of this oxygen, 2 hydrogens you write. Simply, this is going to be the CH3NH2. Can you tell me what may be the name of this compound? What is its IUPAC name? Methanamine. Very good. This is going to be the methanamine. Okay, now let us go for the another one. This another one is going to be the, you have to tell me the name, CH3CONH2. Can you tell me what may be the name of this compound? Can you tell me what may be the name of this compound? There are 2 carbons. If 1 carbon is there, you said it is methanamide. Here 2 carbons. Therefore, we call it as the ethanamide,
ethanamide,
or common name is acetamide. The common name is acetamide.
acetamide,
IUPAC name is ethanamide. Common name is acetamide. Now, tell me what may be the product here with the same reagent. The same reagent here we use. The same reagents we use here also. Now tell me what may be the product here. What may be the product? Gayatri, tell me what to write. Charinka, Kirti, tell me what may be the product. Here it is similar product you can write here. Tell me what may be the product. CH3. What to write? CH3. Then instead of this CO, what I told you, instead of the oxygen, simply this is turns into the CH2.
CH2,
Therefore you have to write CH2. Then you can write an H2. Can you tell me what is the name of this compound? How many carbons are there? 2 carbons.
2 carbons,
Therefore, what is the name?
ethanamide,
That's all.
ethanamide.
Ethanamine is the compound. Okay, we'll take one more and then we'll stop our discussion. Now let us go to be another compound, that is going to be the CH3, CH2 and CO, then NH2. Now tell me what is the name of this compound?
Propanamide,
Very good. It is going to be the propanamide. It is propanamide. Now, what is a, tell me what is a product from this by the reduction of anyone? Lithium aluminum hydride or
CH3,
sodium
CH2,
CH3,
CH2,
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 next
and
CH2,
CH2, and NH3,
next to not
NH2,
NH2.
NH2.
Now tell me what may,
Propanamide,
very good. This is going to be the propanamide. This is going to be propanamide. Okay. Now this is what is the, how do you prepare the amines from, what is this? Reduction of
reduction of
amines.
amides.
Okay, another important thing, in the amides, reduction of amines, what type of amines we will get? Only the
Only
primary amines
primary.
only. Only the primary amines we can prepare in this, we can prepare only the primary
Primary
amines.
amides.
Okay, not secondary or not tertiary, because
Tertiary.
the amides will have the CO NH2, therefore NH2 only present. That's why you can prepare only primary. Okay. Now let us discuss about the compound that is called as the, what is Schmidt reaction. Okay.
Schmidt.
What is a Schmidt reaction? Let us discuss. Okay, let us discuss what is the Schmidt reaction. Very simple. Schmidt reaction is nothing but, let us take what is the compound this is. What is the name of this compound? COOH means what?
Carboxylic acid.
Very good. Carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid will be converted into, what is the compound is? This carboxylic acid will be converted into, and here this is going to be the compound. I will tell you this one. 1 minute. In the Schmidt reaction, what happens? The RCOOH will be changed. The RCOOH will be changed. Okay, I'm not getting this. Okay, this RCOOH will be changed to what is called as RNH2. What is the name of this compound? RCOOH changed to RNH2. This is, what is the name of this compound? This is going to be the carboxylic acid. This is going to be the carboxylic acid, and this is going to be the amine.
Amine.
Okay. Now another important thing. What is the nature of RCOH? It is an acid.
Acid.
Then what is the nature of amine?
Basic.
Base. Okay. That is we are preparing
Acid to
that
base.
is what is called as the we are preparing from an acidic nature carboxylic acid to a basic nature amine, isn't it? Then what are
Yes.
the different reagents we can use in this case? The different reagents we can use, number one is going to be what is called as the number one is going to be the N3H. Can anybody tell me what may be the name of N3H?
Mm,
N3H means N3H means hydrozoic acid. And another one we can use in this case is going to be the what is the name of this second one? What is the name of this second one?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid. See what is this reaction? Very, very interesting reaction. This is the carboxylic acid is an acid. An acid reacting with another acid. What is this another acid? That is nothing but hydrozoic acid, N3H. Okay, it is reacting with another acid in the presence of what is that? In the presence of an acid. What is this acid here? H2SO4.
Sir, it reacts with both the acids. Two
Yes,
acids will be used in it.
yes. It is
Okay, sir.
reacting with what I meant to say. It is reacting with another acid. Okay. See, it is what happened this one? Okay. It is reacting with an acid is reacting with another acid. That another acid is what? Hydrozoic acid. N3H. Hydrozoic acid. What is this hydrozoic acid? N3H is said to be the hydrozoic acid. Followed my point? In presence
Yes.
of an acid and results in the formation of what is that? A base. Very interesting reaction. You just try to know what is this reaction. Okay. And see what is this reaction, what is interesting factor is an acid is reacting with another acid in presence of an acid, but the product is what? Product is what? Base.
Base.
This type of reaction you never see anywhere. That is an acid reacting with another acid in the presence of an acid to form a base. That is, this is going to be an acid, it react with this acid and in the presence of sulfuric acid to form a base. అంటే acids react అయిపోయి base form చేస్తాయి. Generally, acids never react with another acid, and by reaction of these two acids, it never form amine. But this is a specific reaction where an acid react with another acid in the presence of an acid to form the what is called as the amine. This is what is Schmidt reaction. Okay. Now let us see what happened. Then how does this happen? Let us take the mechanism. What is the mechanism of this one? First, let us take the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is going to be the RC double bond OH, C, and it will have a double bond, you know this one, and there is a single bond, and for the double bond there will be an oxygen is here, and here there will be OH, isn't it? This is going to be the carboxylic acid. Okay, this is going to be the carboxylic acid now. Now, then this is a carboxylic acid in presence of an acid. This is the H2SO4, and that will produce H plus ions. This will produce H plus ion. This H plus ion will attack. This H plus ion will attack on this oxygen atom. This oxygen. So that what happened here? This OH will be protonated. This OH will be protonated like this. How does it will be protonated? And here one more hydrogen is added here. So that whenever you will get this proton, the oxygen will get the positive charge. The oxygen will get, and this oxygen will get the positive charge. And because this oxygen has the positive charge, what happened? This in the next process it loses a water molecule. So that what happen is here, and it happens a loss of water molecule. A loss of water molecule takes place. What happened? Loss of water molecule takes place minus H2O. A loss of water molecule takes place. And after losing water molecule, what is a compound you can obtain here? And this will be changed to, I will show you, this will be changed to in this form. That is, it will be lost, this will be lost, water molecule will be lost, everything. So that this positive charge is going to be on this carbon atom. That is carbonyl carbon. Okay, this is acyl carbonium ion, and now this will take now hydrojoic acid. What is hydrojoic acid? Hydrojoic acid is nothing but like this. It is having one hydrogen and three nitrogens. So this three nitrogens is in this way, double bond, and you will get another N here, another N, and another double bond will be there like this. This is going to be the what is called as the hydrojoic acid. This is going to be the hydrojoic acid. Now in this hydrojoic acid, what happened? And this is going to be attacked because it is a positive charge. Because it is a positive charge, there is a lone pair of electron on this nitrogen atom, and this is go and attack on this one. So that what happened here, and now this this is going to be takes this entire what is called as a hydrojoic acid part. This entire hydrojoic acid part, how does it will be connected? How to connect this one? Now there will be a bond, and this nitrogen it will be added. How does, I will take here. Now here there will be a nitrogen, and it is having double bond. This is going to be the double bond, and there is one more nitrogen is here, and another double bond, and one more nitrogen is here. Okay, now this already there is a hydrogen, and that hydrogen will be always with this nitrogen, always with this nitrogen. So that because the nitrogen is having four bonds, and now this nitrogen will get the positive charge, and the positive charge on the carbon will be disappeared because it is having four bonds. Now this undergo another change, and that change will be like this. And what is the change here? A nitrogen will be lost like this. See, a nitrogen will be, okay, this arrow is different arrow we have to, okay. Now this nitrogen will be lost. This nitrogen will be lost, and this bond is shifted. Actually, what happens? And this bond is shifted to what is called as the carbon. This bond is shifted to the carbon, and so that the alkyl group is shifted to here. 1 minute. ఎవరు చూడనా, ఎవరు వచ్చినట్టున్నారు? Okay, this will be shifted, so that what happened? A loss of nitrogen takes place. A loss of nitrogen takes place. Loss of nitrogen takes place. What is the remaining part? But in the same time, what happens? You remember this and here shifted to the nitrogen atom in the same time. This will going to be shifted to the nitrogen atom. Now what happens? You see, or there will be or and a bond, and this is going to be the NH, and there will be a double bond, and here it is going to be the C, and another one is the double bond, like this. And this is going to be what happened. This is going to be what happened during this course. See what happened here? There is a isoketene is formed. This is called isoketene is formed. And for this, a water molecule is added. For this, a water molecule is added, that is going to be the HOH. That is going to be the HOH. And this water molecule, how does it is added? This is going to be added on, okay, we have to take curved arrow. And this is going to be added on the carbon, like this. And in the on this carbon it is added, so that the pi bond is shifted to here. And here what happened? The pi bond is shifted to the here. A pi bond is shifted, and in this water molecule, one hydrogen is added to the nitrogen, and OH is added to this what is called as the carbon. So then what happened in this case? You can write this one. I will write like this, or then N, and one hydrogen already for nitrogen is there, and therefore, and here one hydrogen, and I'll take another bond here, and so that here you will get the carbon, here you will get the hydrogen, and here you will get the hydrogen, and here already double bond is there for this one, and there will be oxygen is there here. For this oxygen is there. Now what happened here? And already this OH, here this OH will be added on this oxygen atom. This OH is already oxygen atom. Because nitrogen is having 4 bonds at this junction, therefore nitrogen possesses a positive charge. Now another step, what happens? Finally you will lose a carbon dioxide molecule. Here a loss of water CO2 molecule takes place. A loss of CO2 takes place. Loss of CO2 takes place, and finally, and a loss of H plus ion takes place here. Okay, and after taking place, what happened here? That is, this moiety will be removed. This moiety will be removed. This moiety. And this moiety will be removed. Finally, what you will get, this is going to be the RNH2. Okay, this is what is said to be the Schmidt reaction. Okay, let me explain once again. What is a Schmidt reaction? Schmidt reaction is nothing but carboxylic acid react with hydroxylic acid in presence of sulfuric acid to form an amine. This is also a primary amine. Then what is happened? First of all, the carboxylic acid is protonated, so that in the next step there is a loss of water molecule takes place, and you will get a nucleophilic carbon atom, and the hydroxylic acid, in this hydroxylic acid the nitrogen will go and add on this carbon, and then in the next step a loss of nitrogen takes place. Then again the water molecule is added on the isonitrene. This is the isonitrine group, not nitrine, this is isoketene group, and this is the compound that is formed, and this undergoes some rearrangement followed by elimination of CO2 and H plus ion. Finally you will get the amine. I think you followed this one. If anybody not followed, you
Yes,
can ask
sir.
me doubt. మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే డౌట్ అడగండి. Are you followed this one or not? Mechanism.
Followed, sir.
Okay. Now I will write some reactions. You have to tell me what is the product. Okay.
Okay.
I will take. Can you tell me what is the name of this compound? This
Methane.
is CH3COOH. CH3COOH. If I use, what is that? One is said to be the hydrozoic acid. This is. And if I use this hydrozoic acid followed by, if I use for hydrozoic acid as well as the sulfuric acid, then what may be the product? First of all, you tell me. First of all, you tell me what is the name of this compound. What is this? Acetic acid. You forgotten
Acetic
this
acid.
simple one.
No,
Acetic.
sir.
Then what is the product that can be formed?
CH3NH2.
Very good. CH3NH2. What is the name of this compound? What is the name?
Methanamine.
Methanamine. See, how many carbons are there in carboxylic acid?
2.
2. How many carbons are there in amine?
1.
1. That means what you understood or what you recognized here, what you are
Reduction
identified.
of carbons.
In this case, in Schmidt reaction, the number of carbons present in the product is always less than the number of carbons in the reactant carboxylic acid. Minimum 1 carbon is less, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have to remember this point also. That is, in the Schmidt reaction, the amine formed is always having 1 carbon less than the parent carboxylic acid. If you start with the 2 carbon, you will get with 1 carbon amine. Suppose if you start with this one, what is this is CH3, CH2, COOH. Can you tell me what may be the product? Can you tell me what may be the product? CH3.
CH3, CH2, NH2.
Very good. CH3, CH2, NH2.
NH2.
This is going to be the product. Can you tell me what is the name of this compound?
Propanoic acid.
Propanoic acid. What is the name of this compound?
Ethanamine.
Ethanamine, because it is a 2 carbons.
2 carbons.
Okay, I think you understood the reaction. We have learned 2 reactions today. One is the reduction of amides.
Yes, sir.
Another one is the Schmidt reaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
I'm having a doubt, sir.
Okay, tell me.
You kept a PDF, sir.
PDF.
College will be started, sir. College start అవుతుందా సార్?
అవుతుంది కావచ్చమ్మా, మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా అవుతాయి.
అదే
ఓకే.
అంటే ఇంటర్నల్స్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్, ఇంటర్నల్ ప్రాక్టికల్ అన్నారు కదా